Ayan, Dear Alan Barha, it is a pleasure to welcome you to Hilton Madrid Airport.
Labog, adapters, please contact the guest service hotline.
Ay. Bagay, Hilton to. Lahat yan available for ano.
Okay, ito ang aming hotel room. Okay.
Basang-basaan pa ako?
Okay, ayan ang mesa. Okay, ito yung rollaway bed na dagdag. Dalawang single bed. Okay. And finally, our magnificent bathroom na walang lock. Hot glass siya. Paano mo magbibihis dyan? Parang yung babae dun sa Montserrat na ano. Oo, kita namin na naghubo ganito yung glass. Okay, this is the shower. Ano to? Half bath. Shower stall lang. And then, this is... Oy, may tanong ako. Paano ka naman maliligo dito sa bathtub na to? Walang alam mo yun? Walang shower curtain, di bumaha dito sa ano. Walang shower curtain
Bath.
Bath lang na.
Hindi shower.
Shower lang na.
Bath lang yung style.
Kung gusto mo lang na maglublob sa bathtub, yan. But then, you can't take a shower here dahil walang shower curtain. Okay? Babaha dito kapag ka nag-shower ka. Kaya naman pala ganito lang to Tanong, nung binuksan ni James. Look at that. Okay. And finally, dito tayo. Ay, walang ilaw. Teka. Saan ang ilaw nito? Okay. Still figuring out yun. Okay. Yun pala. Okay. You poop here, and then you wash here. Okay? And for emergencies, meron kang telepono. Okay. And this is, ito, sink to mga kapatid. Okay. See that? Pababa yan. Glass siya na na sink. Okay. And then there's me. Okay. Ayan, Crabtree and Evelyn na naman yung yung... Oy, Tol, may cotton buds! Cotton buds, yay! Ano pa ba? Time. Okay, bye-bye bathroom.